The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 stands as a testament to the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern performance. This motorcycle has captivated riders worldwide, not just because of its nostalgic design but for the experience it delivers on the road. Whether you're an experienced rider or someone stepping into the world of twin-cylinder bikes for the first time, the Interceptor 650 offers an irresistible package of style, power, and comfort. One of the first things you notice about the Interceptor 650 is its timeless aesthetic. The design harks back to the golden era of motorcycling, with a beautifully contoured fuel tank, classic spoked wheels, and minimalistic bodywork. The chrome detailing and polished engine fins pay homage to the motorcycles of the 60s, while the bike's simple yet elegant lines create a silhouette that feels right at home in any setting, from urban streets to coastal highways. This motorcycle is an instant head-turner, attracting attention wherever it goes. Underneath this retro exterior lies a thoroughly modern machine. The 648cc parallel twin engine is the heart of the Interceptor, producing a balanced 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. This may not sound groundbreaking, but on the road, the bike feels lively and responsive. The torque kicks in early, allowing for easy overtakes and effortless cruising. This engine, paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox, delivers a refined yet engaging riding experience that encourages long journeys and spontaneous rides alike. What sets the Interceptor apart from other motorcycles in its class is its versatility. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and neutral ergonomics make it incredibly comfortable for extended periods in the saddle. Whether you're navigating city traffic, cruising along a coastal road, or tackling winding mountain passes, the bike feels stable, controlled, and ready for anything. Its steel tubular double cradle frame, developed with Harris Performance, enhances its agility and handling, providing a planted and confidence-inspiring ride. Suspension duties are handled by 41mm front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, striking a balance between comfort and performance. The bike absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease while maintaining composure during spirited rides. The braking system features a 320mm disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear, complemented by dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. This setup offers plenty of stopping power, providing peace of mind whether you're riding in dry conditions or sudden rain. Another standout aspect of the Interceptor 650 is the sound. The twin exhausts produce a deep, throaty rumble that adds to the sensory experience of riding this bike. It's not overly loud but carries just the right amount of presence to remind you that you're riding something special. The 270-degree firing order of the engine mimics the sound and feel of classic British twins, creating a connection to the bike that's hard to replicate. Customization is key with the Interceptor 650. Royal Enfield offers a wide range of accessories, from bar-end mirrors and flyscreens to touring seats and side panniers. Riders can personalize their Interceptor to match their riding style, making each bike unique. This flexibility has turned the Interceptor into a canvas for creativity, with countless custom builds appearing in the motorcycling community. Riders often highlight the Interceptor's reliability. Royal Enfield has put significant effort into ensuring this motorcycle can withstand the rigors of daily use. The build quality, combined with an extensive service network and affordable maintenance costs, makes ownership straightforward and hassle-free. Since its launch, the Interceptor 650 has garnered praise from motorcycle enthusiasts and critics around the world. Awards, glowing reviews, and a growing community of passionate owners speak to the bike's success. It's a motorcycle that appeals not just to those who appreciate retro styling but to anyone who values the essence of motorcycling, the freedom, excitement, and connection to the road. As Royal Enfield continues to expand and innovate, the Interceptor 650 stands as a shining example of what the brand can achieve. It embodies the company's heritage while embracing modern technology and design. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the scene, the Interceptor 650 offers an experience that's hard to match. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to rediscover the joy of riding.